about. Don't say too much, keep a lock mouth. If they ask, we don't know what they talking about. We was just vibing, we was just vibing, we was just vibing, we was just vibing.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Elise. Welcome back. I hope you guys are all doing well. Happy holidays. I hope that you guys are ready for Christmas just as much as I'm not. But yeah, I have a new wig for you guys, so let's go ahead and get started. Now, the wig that I have does come from UNICE, and of course they can be found on Amazon Prime. If you guys are interested, I'll have all the links and details provided in the description box below. So here is the wig that I picked up this time. This is one of their gorgeous wear and go bye bye knots pre-cut lace wig, and this is what it looks like. It does have that pre-cut lace and the knots are pre-bleached, hence the word bye bye knots. It has the pre-plucked hairline, and yeah, once again, this is what it looks like. My wig is 24 inches long. It's in that deep curly texture, 150% density, and it also has that 6x4 3/4 high definition lace. So as usual, I like to go ahead and put the wig on just to let you guys see exactly how I received it prior to me doing anything to it, and to kind of look at it to see if anything needs to be done. Now, once again, this is one of their wear and go wigs, so pretty much absolutely no work needs to be done. However, I did notice that the lace was way too light for my skin tone, so later on I will be applying a little bit of foundation to tone that down, and also I'm going to be co-washing this wig per usual, as I like to do. I'm just using my silicone mix conditioner, and yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and wash this unit. So after co-washing my wig, I like to kind of pre-style it up just to kind of get it ready to be worn. Now, I noticed that not a lot of people on YouTube do this, but I prefer doing this just because I don't know, I just like to kind of take the extra step in order to make my wig look the way that I like it to look. Now, this is totally unnecessary. You can definitely wear the wig how it comes directly out of the pack, because that's the way how this wig is styled, but I like to kind of take the extra step just to kind of make it work for myself. So I am just pulling out some of my baby hairs, and I'm going to go ahead and get everything laid back. I like everything to kind of go out of my face, but I do like the baby hairs to kind of take away some of the appearance of my natural forehead, just because I kind of, you know, I got a 5 head, that's just be real. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just lay up those baby hairs. I'm gonna go in and redefine up these curls. So the wig is dry now. I pretty much just let it sit and air dry overnight. This is what these curls are looking like, and this is what the laid hairline looks like. Now, the lace is still a bit too light for my skin tone, so I'm just going to apply a little bit of my liquid foundation to it. Y'all don't mind the little white specks, that's just the gel dried up. But I'm going to apply some of my liquid foundation all over the lace just so we can get a nice even match. since this is one of those wear and go glueless lace wigs, I will not be adhering this wig down, but I am going to go ahead and do up my baby hairs just to where it can work for myself. Now I'm going to go ahead and just trim them down. I left them extra long just because if later on I choose not to wear the baby hairs, I wanted to be able to go back with the rest of the hair and it won't look like broken off hairs or anything like that. So I'm just going in using a little bit of my gel just to go ahead and get that laid down. Okay, you guys, so this is pretty much what this wig is looking like, and y'all should already know this is like one of my favorite textures aside from kinky curly or coily curly. But I am definitely feeling this texture. Now this wig is currently on sale on Amazon. I believe it's like around $212 for a 24-inch, but y'all can also go shorter if you guys want to save some money, and they also have a save 5% off coupon that you can go ahead and apply to your order when you are adding the wig to your cart. So y'all definitely have to try this wig out for yourself. But once again, I am totally in love with this texture. It's super soft. Now I did receive a little more shedding than what I really wanted to receive, so you guys definitely do keep that in mind. But for the most part, this is definitely a good quality wig. It's one of those wear and go wigs. I didn't use any adhesives because this is also a glueless wig, and you guys can see how it just sits on the forehead and looks so natural. Y'all definitely have to go ahead and give this wig a try for yourself. So before I go, I definitely wanted to give you guys a real quick styling option. Now you guys know me, I'm all for the effortless wear and go, out the door running errands look. So I do like to twist up the ends of the hair and then use one of those butterfly clips just to clip it out and back. And this is just a cute little look for running errands, for going to work, for visiting your friends, going to school, anything of that such. So yeah, I just kind of want to give you guys this really quick styling option. Now once again, this wig does come from UNICE. You can find them on Amazon Prime. I'll have everything listed in the info section below. If you guys are interested in anything that I use throughout this video, that will be listed below as well. Now UNICE does have a 5% off discount coupon that you can apply to your order when you add the wig to the cart, so you guys definitely take advantage of that small little discount. Now y'all, with Christmas right around the corner, are you guys gonna pick this up and give it to a friend? Y'all gonna give it to a family member? Y'all definitely let me know, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye guys.